We are on week 7. This was the fix that we came up with for the door or the closet. I'm just gonna put trim around that return. It was gonna be too hard and the piece was gonna be not too good. So we just kind of kept running. We'll put some trim around it. Won't even be able to tell. And of course I will attach that piece there, so that'll look better. But we're going to keep working on this room today. That's our goal this week, is to get the floors down. So we're going to get to work. All right, so we're running out of light, so we got to call it a day. But we did get almost the whole room done. We've got one more complicated cut for the closet, but then boom, 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 boom. Clean up the master bedroom, get it done. Hopefully we'll have this done in a few days. We are on day 5 of replacing our floors in the bedrooms. We got the office done last night. Well, all but just the scrap pieces I've got to come in and do at the end. I don't really want to waste whole pieces when there might be a piece that'll work perfectly at the end. So we got started on the master bedroom. So this room should go a little bit easier since the only cuts we're gonna have to do is gonna be in the closets. So we're hoping to get the bedroom done today. I'm here actually on lunch, so I'm gonna try to get a couple pieces put down, and then we're going to meet up later after work and then try to get laid down. The floor that we're using is the Smart Core Ultra. We got it from Lowe's. I think it was like $260 or $280 a square foot. But the back of it, it has the padding already built onto it, so you don't have to put any padding down, and it just locks together. So it's gone pretty easy. There's been a lot of cuts, especially in the bedrooms, because the closets run this way. So we had to do that, but this is our workroom now. So we have to use a couple different saws to get this done. That saw's not working too good because it's 6-inch plank, and that only cuts 1 inch, or that only cuts 5 inches. So if there's a really small cut that I need to make, I use that and I just flip the board over. But the main thing is just your regular sawzall. And then of course the jigsaw when I have to make long cuts. But all in all, it's going pretty smooth. Let's get to work. Okay, it wasn't a complete waste of a lunch break. I was able to find pieces that I'd already cut that work perfectly in the office. So now the office is completely done. Hi kids, I know our lighting sucks, but if you were able to see that, that's how you screw up a whole floor and have to go all the way back and start all over again. I don't know what happened, we just...
The board was all when I stood on it.
Welcome to not knowing what we're doing, Reno. All right, so our goal today was to get it to the closets and then have a quick day tomorrow. Because we had to redo most of what we did today, we didn't quite get that far. But we did get almost all of the master bedroom done, and it looks pretty good. So what our mistake was, we weren't paying attention when we were whacking the boards, and we got too close to this wall to where it was basically shoved up under the drywall, and then our gap on this side was way too thick for trim. So we've learned that lesson now, so hopefully that won't happen moving forward again. But we're almost done, so if it happens again, that'd be just stupid. But it'll probably happen again. All right, so we are finally running into the weekend on week 7. So yesterday we did get the master bedroom done. So it's a freaking mess right now, but it is all done. Closets, everything completely done. And man, it makes this room look so much bigger. So today, what we're gonna do is I'm going to patch up the areas that need to be. The closets in the guest bedroom, and then the closets in the master office need a couple pieces. So we're gonna get those pieces done. Then we're gonna clean up, go pick some stuff up from the old house, bring it here, and have a cookout. So let's get started. Guys, a little bit of show and tell time. We got the floors done. Yes, the closets are done. I just didn't feel like opening them and showing you guys, but it took about 3 hours today to finish everything up, so. Ta-da! We got it all done, so that means we're gonna keep working on the cabinets. That's what Amanda's doing now. She's got all of them cleaned and sanded, and except for this one. We had to move the refrigerator. We finally moved the refrigerator back so she could reach this cabinet, but she's got them all cleaned, sanded. Most of the doors are primed, and we're gonna start working on that. So, get in there.
Sorry, he's on the move.
He's going. Oh, he took his first pee on the bush.
Thanks, buddy.
Walking right up like he's at home. Hopefully he approves.
All right. You didn't record that part,
Nope.
did you? Okay. Come here. Hold on, let me check this baby gate. Oh, shit. How do I don't know how to do it. There we go. Guess you need to check. There we go. Come here.
All right, Riley, check it out.
Shut this though.
I hope you approve.
What do you think, buddy?
You think we can live here?
Do you love it? Do you love it? It's your new house. Come on, let's go see the best part. Come on. Come on. Riley, this way. Let's see what you think. Come here.
Come on, gotta show you something.
Come on.
Oh, you got a whole backyard, bud.
Come on. See it? Oh. A little slow down the stairs.
What do you think? I think he approves. He's got a little gallop. He's got a little gallop.
Checking out the perimeter. What do you think, buddy?
Okay, now that Inspector Riley has approved, sort of, we got a couple different projects going on today. We're gonna start with painting the trim that's gonna go around the windows. We're also gonna prime the cabinets, put up some ceiling fans and some lights. So it's gonna be a busy day. Let's do it. Okay, so since we didn't love our old wooden cabinets and we can't afford to replace them right now, we're just going to change the color on them. So we're currently on step 3. So the first step was scrubbing them, degreasing them, making sure they were super, super clean. Then step 2, Amanda sanded all of them. And now we're on step 3. We're just going to prime them. And we're going to have to do 2 coats of prime. And then once they're primed, then we can paint them. So that's what we're going to do now. So Amanda's going to continue to prime the cabinets in the kitchen, and I'm going to start installing ceiling fans. We got the Hunter Crown Canyon 2 ceiling fan. It's going to be nice to finally have some lights up in here. Turned off the time lapse because I remembered I didn't know what I was doing, so that time lapse would have been like 4 hours, but it's all done. Hit the switch, baby. Ooh, she's so pretty, and she's not catching on fire.
Yay.
I'm pretty happy with it. Took a really long time though. So I wanted to get 3 of them done today. I only got 1. Hopefully the other 2 will go a little bit smoother. So that's it. Now we're gonna cook some hamburgers. Yeah.